This is the Delta Hotel in Regina, 2518. This is the top floor, king suite. Start with the bathroom. Walk-in shower, probably big enough for 3 people. Got your shampoo, conditioners, and body wash. Map of the hotel. Closet. It's your ironing board. Safe. Ice bucket. And your iron. A couple shelves. And a Cuisinart coffee maker. Not sure if it makes coffee or the teas. Like I said, it's a king size room. 2 complimentary water bottles. Reading lamp beside the bed, each side. Room to the adjoining room. Place to put all your luggage, which we did. Decent sized TV. Swing around to the bed. Like I said, the reading lamp on the side, which is adjustable. And you got a little chaise lounge. Hang out the window. Like I said, this is the top floor of the hotel, probably one of the tallest buildings in Regina. And you got Casino Regina right across the street. This is north facing. Let's do a panorama here. And there's a quick room tour for a Delta Hotel in Regina.